anyway, gusto ko magpasalamat syempre Ray Santos Music Studio teachers dahil para sa inyo talaga ito, no? Itong ginagawa natin, this is for you. I want to say thank you sa lahat, no? Sa pagtanggap nyo ng mga students. You are spending your time, your effort, your talent para sa inyong mga estudyante, sa pag-aalaga ng inyong mga estudyante. Maraming salamat mga teachers. Palakpakan naman natin ang ating mga sarili, no? Yan. Okay, tapos we have the Golden Minds Academy. Yes? My parents, thank you very much for always supporting Ray Santos Music Studio. Alam niyo, sabi ko nga kung wala siguro yung Golden Minds is magiging mahirap para sa Ray Santos Music Studio. Of course, yung ating place is nasa San Pedro, Laguna. Pero of course, nakakapag-operate tayo dito sa dalawang school ng Golden Minds. Yan. Thank you, Ma'am Nels. Thank you, our President, Sir Randy De Los Santos. Thank you very much. Yeah. Ito yung una kong gustong message, no? God is good. Ulitin nga natin, God is good. Yan ang una kong gustong message sa inyo. God is good. Oh, God is good. Alam nyo, sometimes, no? Masama yung nangyayari, hard times. But you know what? God is good. Laging mabuti ang Diyos. Life is unfair, but God is good. Mahirap ang buhay, but God is good. Tandaan natin yan. Yun po yung kagandahan nun. Sometimes hindi natin nakikita yung big picture, but God is good. Kapag may nangyayari hindi maganda sa atin, God is good. God is good. And believe in your heart that something good is going to happen. No? And last na lang po, no? Mabilis na lang to. Sir, sorry mabilis na lang to. Last message is, be grateful. Be grateful. So, first message is, God is good. Number 2 is, be grateful. Be grateful. You know what? Kapag ikaw nagpapasalamat, marunong ka magpasalamat, ang mangyayari sa iyo is, mas maraming blessing. Tama? Tama? Unlike, kasi tayo, bakit mo gano'n? Dapat meron akong ganito. Dapat meron akong ganyan. Dapat meron akong ganito eh. Dapat meron akong ganyan. Which is not good. Kasi hinahanap mo yung mali. Hinahanap mo yung parang mali doon or kulang sa buhay mo. Pero dapat, for me, hanapin natin kung anong meron. Di ba? Be grateful. Last one na lang talaga to. You know what? Our mind is like a magnet. You know what is a magnet? No? Yung magnet, na-attract niya yung mga bagay-bagay, especially yung bakal, no? But you know what? Our mind is a magnet. The more that you're grateful, the more that you're thinking about your blessings, the more blessings that will come. No? Pero kapag ang nasa isip mo lang lagi is, bakit ganito? Kulang ako, ganyan. Mas lalo ka magkukulang, di ba? Anyway, so yun lang po, no? Yun lang po yung aking message sa inyo, mga minamahal kong teachers. God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good. And number 2, be